We got our pizza. Now we're just leaving BEQUIA, as you can see, and on our way south. So we're going to go to MAYREAU tonight. No, we're not there. Forecast is still deteriorating. So, south we go. Just been showing Brendan a few loops around the boat, how to operate everything. Now we're just going to go in and have a look at Moonhole.
Wow.
Kicking back in my favorite chair, flamboyants blooming everywhere. The sky is blue, not a chance of rain, but not too far away are some hurricanes. If they stay north, I'll be alright. Down here by the sea, there's not a whole lot I can do, so I guess I'll be dodging hurricanes. And I know they're on their way, so I'll just strum my old guitar to chase the clouds away. Pray next week that I'll still be dodging hurricanes. Hannah, Ike, and Josephine are moving west on my TV screen. The ocean looks like one big storm as one more behind them begins to form. All I need is a miracle and pray the forecast right. I can't make them disappear, so until then I'm dodging hurricanes. But I know they are on their way, so I'll just strum my old guitar and chase the clouds away, and pray next week that I'll still be.
Hey, pretty girl. You want kisses? Good girl. There's a good girl. Here she is.
Yes, she is.
Pretty girl.
Cheeky.
So we had a great sail down today. Not a fast one. I think we averaged about 4 to 5 knots. So it took us a little while, and we ended up motoring the last, what, hour and a half, maybe 2 hours after we hit the side of Canoan. But we had a good sail down from BEQUIA. Nice day on the water. Beautiful, clear day. You could see all the islands everywhere. It was just spectacular. Hard to imagine there's some kind of a monster approaching from the east. But that's what they keep telling us. So got to check the forecast again tonight, but at last check, yeah, the wind forecast, it keeps going up a little bit, down a little bit, up a little bit, down a little bit. We're not quite sure what it's going to do, where it's going to hit. It's still at least, 4 days away. Now we are about 40 miles south of St. Vincent, and we have about another 30 to 40 miles to Grenada. So we're going to do a few more miles tomorrow. It's going to be very calm, so we're just going to hang out in the area. It's Sunday, and nothing is expected to roll in bad until late Tuesday, maybe Wednesday. But looking forward to seeing Grenada just the same. It's always been a great spot. It's very rare it ever gets hit by any kind of bad weather. So if it does get hit this time, well, all we can do is hope that it's not too bad. So we'll touch base again tomorrow. We'll see how the weather forecast goes and talk to you in the morning. Tiki says night night. Woohoo! Tiki flying. Hey, pretty girl.